How's it going, everybody? Average Garage, as you know. Now, everything's been fighting me lately. I've had issues with YouTube, hence why I've got the new channel. Please subscribe to the new channel, maybe watch a couple of videos, do what you want. But please subscribe, hit the bell button to stay up to date with the new videos, because the old channel will be getting shut down. I ran into hoist issues, I've had car issues, I've had all sorts of shit going on. So I feel like I've missed about a month of YouTube, or at least trying to upload, even though I'm only semi-regularly uploading. But please show the channel some love. I'm trying to get some more videos out and get some time, but it's just getting a bit hard. So yeah, hope you enjoy this episode. It's stripping the Falcon, or the Xr6 Turbo. The next episode is pulling the engine, gearbox and diff out, all the rest of the driveline, stuff like that, all the fun stuff. But yeah, please show the channel some love, and I really hope you enjoy this episode, and we'll see you in this one and the next one and hopefully all the others. Cheers guys, we'll see you soon.
Like that, and then poke these back into where they live so you don't lose them. Like that. One down, 5 to go. You like my fully hectic radiator repair mod? Yeah. Ram a screw in it because it was leaking. I'll be right to assume there's probably bolts inside this thing. Nah. Sweet. That's it. Just lift straight out. Oh! Shit, thirsty boy. Yep. Success! Now this motor wasn't running, so I couldn't really depressurize the fuel out of it. I have a feeling that might be the return. And this is the feed. Oh. Perfect. So if you're ever wondering what holds your starter motor in a new Falcon, it's not much. That's a 10mm head, 6mm bolt. There's not much in it. Anywhere in the tray would be good. I mean, the oil's not terrible. fuck? Straight in the oil pan that's full of oil. This is where you drop all the 10 mils down it. And then find them when you build the motor. Oh no! Free! At last! Thank God for that. I just ground the head off it. Which was before I obviously realised that they were shear bolts. Better right. Pro.
Alright, so we're here with Doug at the moment and we're just going to degas the aircon on this FG Falcon, so we're going to run you through that.
Jesus Christ. I was off the ground, boy. Don't drink it. As much as it makes you thirsty. I think I didn't have my finger tight.
Looks like it.
Fix this wiring up too. Jesus fuck. I got it. Pick it up. These bits of wire here actually go to a nut all the way down in there, and if that wire breaks, you're screwed. This side's 18, that side's not. Doohickey. Thought you were touching my back then, but it's a wiring harness. Chris, what are you doing?
The back touching comes later.
Yeah. That's payment, right?
Alright folks, I'm going to end this episode here, but stay tuned as the next episode is when the real fun starts. We're going to be removing all of the driveline. Please don't forget to like the video, comment what you think, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to stay updated for the latest videos. There's a whole lot more that's about to kick off. Thanks folks, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.